In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly on mobile in just a few easy steps. If you want to improve your spelling, grammar, and writing on the go, this guide will help you get set up quickly and safely. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you'll download the Grammarly mobile app. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search R at the top of the screen. Now type in Grammarly and wait for the results to appear. Make sure you choose the official Grammarly app so you know you're downloading the correct one. When you see the Grammarly app in the results, tap on it to open the app page. Here you'll see the app details, screenshots, and reviews. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the right app, then tap the Install button. Your phone will now begin downloading and installing Grammarly automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Grammarly will then guide you through the setup process. At this point, you'll need to sign into your existing account or create a new one if you don't already have one. If you already use Grammarly on another device, simply sign in with the same email so your settings and preferences can sync properly. If you're new to Grammarly, follow the on-screen steps to create your account. You may be asked to choose your writing goals or allow certain permissions so the app can work correctly on your mobile device. Just review each prompt carefully and continue through the setup. After signing in, Grammarly is ready to use on mobile. You can start checking your writing, improving your messages, and getting grammar suggestions directly from your phone. It's a really useful app for emails, social media posts, documents, and everyday texting. And that's it. You've successfully installed Grammarly on mobile and sign in to get started. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.